the LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing a video about Verizon Prepaid. So I'm on the website here, and today I'll be talking about their tablet and Jetpack plans. So these are different from their smartphone plans, so do keep that in mind. Alright, so they have 3 tablet and Jetpack plans right here. These are prepaid plans, no contract, of course, so that is a definite win right there. So it says here, pay as you go and never be tied to a contract. The smartest way to get on the most awarded network. And like I said, they have 3 plans, 3 gigs for 35, 8 gigs for 45, or you can go unlimited for 65. Alright, and you guys can also sign up for AutoPay and get a $5 discount with AutoPay, so it'd be 30, 40, and 60 respectively with AutoPay. And if you guys do the family plan thing, whatever, y'all guys can even save more money. So that's a win right there. So these plans include full HD video streaming at 1080p. That's pretty cool. 4G LTE high-speed data, and it says 4G LTE high-speed data, full HD quality streaming up to 1080p. In times of congestion, your data may be temporarily slower than other traffic, so do keep that in mind. So what I'm assuming is that on the 3GB and 8GB plan, after you use the high-speed data element, they would throttle your data to 600 kilobytes, because that's what usually Verizon throttles hotspot is to 600 kilobytes. So I'm assuming they'll throttle to 600 kilobytes. Now on the unlimited plan, there's no mention of throttling, but they will deprioritize your data, I guess, during times of network congestion. That doesn't give like no cap or nothing like that. So I guess it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter if you use 1 gig or 22 gigs on the $65 plan. They will deprioritize your data. So keep that in mind. So yeah. So if you guys are interested in just getting a portable Wi-Fi hotspot on Verizon Prepaid, check out these plans. And if I were you, I would get the unlimited hotspot plan. So that is pretty cool. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.